Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Students, today let's start with our math subject. The topic that we are going to do today is count and match. Students, here you can see the pictures are given and the numbers are given to you. What we are going to do that we are going to count the picture and then we are going to match it with its correct number. Let's start from the first picture. Count how many bags are there. 1, 2, 3. Is the first number is number 3? No. Is the second is number 3? Yes. So we are going to match it with number 3 like this. Count how many hats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is the first number is number 4? No. The second number is number 4? No. The third? No. The fourth? Yes. This is the number 4. So we will match it with number 4 like this. Count how many umbrellas. 1, 2. Let's start from the first number. The first number is number 2? No. The second is number 2? No. The third? No. The fourth? No. The last one is number 2? Yes. So we will match it with number 2 like this. Count how many cockles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is the first number is number 5? Yes. So we will match these cockles with its correct number like this. Okay, count how many lamps. 1. How many lamps are there? 1. So, is the first number is number 1? No. The second? No. Third? Yes. So, we will match this lamp with its correct number like this. Okay? Now, here you have an assignment. What you are going to do, that you are going to match these pictures with its correct number. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.